So thus far I'm very happy that I can see there's an improvement, especially in the confidence, especially in the roles that they need to play offensively as well as defensively. Yes, maybe we might make 1 or 2 changes so that we could solidify the team. Playing against Cameroon the first leg made us really look and see where our weaknesses were, which is always sometimes good in a game, so that we can do better tomorrow in our final match. I'm confident that we will have a better performance. I'm confident that the girls will have more confidence and more discipline in the way they played. And I always say that tactical play demands really team tactical discipline.